Good morning, guys. Bright sunny morning and the postman's been. So I got a free rubber band, that'll be handy. Not quite sure what's in this one. I do know what's in that one. Ah, that's good. That's light bulbs for my floodlights or security cameras. A little bit crushed. Hope they're okay inside. Come on. It looks okay. So we'll have to give them a try. Just make sure they actually work. And then this fella, this is a bit special. Well, it is for me. Cost me about 50 quid. Much more money than I like to spend on anything, but I just wanted one. Filament connector for joining together your odd bits of filament. I've watched a couple of YouTube channels do reviews of them. I think initially they were more expensive. They seem to have settled. I think it was £49 I paid. I'll put a link somewhere, or put the price up here somewhere. They look like they're simple to use. They come with these little tubes that you put over where you're going to put the join on. And then when it heats it up and joins them together, you then place them in that slot and crush it down, and that actually slices through the bit of tube, so you don't have to try and slide it all the way to the end of the bit that you've just joined on. So they are consumables, disposable. But for the shorter lengths, you can just slide them off rather than cut them. So that's the heater. So that's where you lay your filament across there. You shut it down. You will have set it to what it needs to be. It will beep when it's done. You let it cool down, and then you pop it into that slot to cut that off. I will do a video of it, but not today. Obviously it's USB powered. You need a good USB supply. Most of your old phone chargers won't be powerful enough. The newer USB-C ones will probably be okay. There's the instructions. Yeah, it should tell you. You need 5V 2 amps. Need the full 2 amps. So yeah, we'll do a little video on that at some time. Well, the bulbs work, so that's good. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.